Mastering Argumentative Writing, the heart of TOEFL and IELTS essays. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into understanding argumentative writing. If you're prepping for TOEFL or IELTS, knowing how to build a strong argument in your essays can make a significant difference in your scores. Let's get started. Argumentative writing is a type of writing where you take a stance on an issue and then provide evidence to support your point of view. It's not just about stating what you think, it's about convincing your reader or examiner that your perspective is valid or worth considering. 1. Claim. This is your main argument or the central idea you're trying to convey. Every argumentative essay should have one clear claim. 2. Evidence. These are the facts, examples, or data that support your claim. Without evidence, your claim is just an opinion. 3. Counterargument. This is where you acknowledge the opposing view but refute it with reasoning or evidence. 4. Conclusion. Sum up your arguments and restate why your claim is valid, tying all your points together. 1. Choose a debatable topic. Your argument will be stronger if there's a genuine debate around the topic. 2. Research thoroughly. Your evidence should be strong, credible, and relevant. 3. Be clear and concise. Ensure your claim is straightforward and your evidence directly supports it. 4. Address the opposition. By addressing counterarguments, you show that you've considered all sides of the issue. 5. Use transitional phrases. Words like, however, furthermore, and, on the other hand, can help guide your reader through your argument. 1. Making claims without evidence. Always back up your statements. 2. Being overly emotional. Stay rational and evidence-based. Emotions can cloud judgment. 3. Ignoring the opposition. Addressing the counterarguments strengthens your own position. 4. Repeating the same points. Repetition doesn't make your argument stronger. It can bore the reader. And that wraps up our guide to understanding argumentative writing for TOEFL and IELTS exams. Remember, a good argument is clear, evidence-based, and takes all perspectives into account. We hope this video aids you in crafting compelling essays. Best of luck with your test preparations.